The BADUSB module of the Flipper Zero uses Ducky script, a language made for the world-famous USB rubber ducky by Hack5. The Ducky script emulates keyboard strokes when plugged into a computer. The BADUSB doesn't send characters, it sends HID codes, which the computer then interprets into characters based on a user's keyboard configuration. BADUSB devices always assume that a keyboard is set to English QWERTY by default. If the computer keyboard is set to another format, let's say French AZERTY, when the BADUSB script is launched, characters appear swapped and the script will fail. Scripts have to be manually built for each specific keyboard layout, which is time-consuming and error-prone. It also implies that we need to know a target's keyboard layout in advance. Thanks to roguemaster and his roguemaster custom firmware, Flipper Zero now supports multiple keyboard layouts which can be configured on the fly. In other words, you only need one script and the Flipper Zero does the hard work in real time to adjust the script to the target's keyboard's layout. To install the roguemaster, we simply go on GitHub and download the latest firmware. We need to untar the resources file, then copy its content to the Flipper Zero. Select all the files and drag and drop in the Flipper SD card. We will use QFlipper to install our custom firmware. When it's finished, we can run a little script on the French AZERTY keyboard layout. In the Flipper menu, we select the script. Now we have a config option on the left side, we validate. We enter the keyboard layout and select FR for the French keyboard layout. Then we run the script. As you can see, this time the script is running without any problem. Flipper Zero is always evolving thanks to its open source framework and dedicated community. If you want to get involved, well, grab your Flipper Zero from lab4one.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.